Welcome back to another fun-filled, fantastic project. Lead the way. You're going to notice that from our previous video, my house looks a little bit different. All I have done is hollowed out the rest of my bedrooms, the rest of my rooms, as well as I have begun to add doors and archways to some of the rooms, depending on what they have. This room right here happens to be my kitchen, so I added archways that are leading both to the living room as well as the dining room. So if I want to begin to add doors, a couple of things to note. Your doorway you are creating, you of course want it to be less than the height of your home. My height of my home is currently 10 feet tall, so I'm going to make an 8-foot tall doorway, of course, and edit these dimensions to be about, let's see, let's make the width 2.5 feet, as well as you want the thickness of the doorway to be obviously thicker than your current walls, or else your door will not go through it. So we're going to go ahead and line it up like that. Okay, so if we are to test the current door, so I select everything, I group this, you're going to notice one issue is that I've taken out part of my flooring. So that's why I said in my previous video, you actually have to edit how far up or down this is. So I'm going to raise this up 1/2 foot, and then select all, I group it, and then you can see that I now have a door leading into my bathroom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue that throughout a couple of different rooms in my house, just doing that same process. All right, so again, if I wanted to put a door on this guest bedroom, I'm going to grab the box that is a hole. I'm going to go ahead and edit this height to be 8 feet. I also know that I don't want to be any wider than about 2.5 feet. That's a standard door in someone's home, as well as make sure that you are lining this up. Okay, I'm going to edit this just be a little bit thinner. And then I want to raise it up like I did with the previous door. I'm going to raise it up 1/2 foot. All right, so let's select everything and see how it looks. Okay, so now I have a door leading into my guest bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to go through the entire house and just add in all the doors where they need to be. All right, so I went ahead and added the rest of my doors in. It just took me a couple minutes. One great thing you can do is when you have the correct dimension for your door, prior to grouping it, just take that piece and copy and paste it into each of the rooms that need your doorway. But you can see if I zoom in on my hallway, okay, so from my hallway, I can actually enter each of the rooms. Okay. And then if I was positioned inside of a room, you can see where I can move to. So for example, this over here is the master suite, so I can go into the master bathroom. I can also go back into this hallway. From this hallway, I'm able to get to each of the other 2 rooms, into this bathroom. I can get to the kitchen, my dining room, and I have my living room. All right, in the next video, I will be explaining how to create stairs as well as multiple levels. We're going to be adding part of this wall. This is currently the basement that I have over here, but that'll be more important next time. That's all I have for you.